Sushiswap, the development of Sushiswap, is a complex and dramatic story that began in 2020. It's often cited as a prime example of a vampire attack and the power of a decentralized community in the DeFi decentralized finance space. 1. The vampire attack. August 2020. Sushiswap launched as a fork of Uniswap by an anonymous developer, Chef Nomi. It attracted Uniswap's liquidity providers with the new Sushi governance token. The strategy successfully siphoned billions in liquidity from Uniswap, a move dubbed a vampire attack. 2. The Chef Nomi controversy. Chef Nomi withdrew $14 million from the project's development fund, causing a price crash and accusations of a rug pull. Facing immense community backlash, Chef Nomi returned all the funds and transferred control of the project. 3. Community-driven decentralization. Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX took temporary control and then handed it over to a multi-signature wallet governed by 9 community members. This event cemented Sushiswap's reputation as a truly decentralized, community-owned protocol. 4. Evolution into a DeFi ecosystem. Sushiswap grew beyond its initial DEX function into a comprehensive platform. The protocol now includes an AMM, a swap aggregator, staking services, and has expanded to multiple blockchains. It continues to be a major player in the DeFi space, guided by its community and a new leadership structure.